guys, I'm trying to be really quiet because it's early, everyone's sleeping, and I'm going hiking. Right, so I'm in Laguna Beach. Check out this view over here.
In 1.2 miles, the destination is on your right. Starbucks.
I've never seen this place so empty. It's great. Early in the morning, anywhere is always great. You have the roads to yourself, trails to yourself as well for the most part. It's a little secret, a little tip there for you guys. But we're in Laguna Beach because it is Chooch's birthday. So we're here for a nice 3-day weekend, enjoying the beach.
Destination is on your right, Starbucks.
All right, yep, going to Starbucks. Gotta get a cup of coffee and maybe a muffin or something to get going here because I'm gonna go on a nice hike. I haven't hiked down here before, so this will be fun. And we haven't stayed down here in 13 years. That was back when we first met. So it's amazing how time flies and we get so busy and caught up with all sorts of things like work and just life in general. So excited to be back down here and looking forward to this hike. It's gonna be a beautiful day down here. All right, coffee situation is handled, and this coffee, Starbucks, is right across from the beach. Although I suppose everything that is down here is right across from the beach, isn't it? Hello everybody, hope you're having a good day and thanks for tuning in to another video. This hike was so close to home in the Laguna Beach wilderness that it felt like I was miles away because it really has it all. Excellent views, well-graded ascents, and right next to the ocean, which makes it a great year-round hiking destination in Southern California. This particular trail is 4 miles round trip with 869 feet of elevation gain, which makes for a quick day hike if you're in the Laguna Beach area. And I can promise you, you will not be disappointed. The trailhead is located on the corner of Lookout Drive and Poplar Street, just minutes from the Pacific Ocean. Now, it's time for the hike. So this is the start of the trail. It's kind of an interesting start through this gate that looks like it's private property. But then once you go past, you are entering into the Laguna Coast Wilderness. Gorgeous out here. Look at this sun. Wow, this is great. Pretty good climb right off the start. Pretty good climb. It's all paved though. Really not sure what to expect back here. Lots of birds. Beautiful out. Glad I did this early because it's very, very exposed. I think I took the right trail because this trail is not heavily trafficked at all, but the one that is running parallel with me over there is full of people. So I have a bad feeling I'm gonna collide with a large group of people once I get to the top of this little mountain here. So hopefully not, but I think that's what's gonna happen.
KG gold ಏನು ಕೇಳೋದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಿವಸ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹಾಕೋಗ್ರು
It's kind of a weird trail. It spits you out onto the main highway. I think this is the 133. And you gotta kind of then go back down this road and find your way back to the trailhead. So this will be fun. Luckily I have my phone though, so I can track where I'm going. That is the trail I just came down, and just finishing the hike, hiking back up to the car. Thank you guys so much for coming along. I have so much fun making these videos, and of course coming out here to new places to hike. It's always so much fun, and I hope these videos are helpful as well. So really, this hike is it's pretty easy, I would say. There's some elevation, but as long as you pace yourself, you're fine. All right, that was the hike. Excellent hike. Exactly 4 miles, 660 feet of elevation gain here in the beautiful Laguna Beach wilderness. Who knew the beach had a wilderness? Wow, it's so pretty up here. Look at this view. What do you guys call those things? Amazing. Such a beautiful neighborhood as well. I even enjoyed the hike back through the neighborhood up to the car, just because each house was different. These aren't cookie cutter homes. They're all unique in their own way and very quaint and cute as well. So we're gonna go back down and meet with Chooch, who is with our baby boy. So go spend the day exploring Laguna Beach and have a nice birthday weekend for her. So until next time, thank you guys for coming along. Hope that this little trip guide helped and is helpful for you if you decide to come out here. I think the map is probably what's most helpful, but let me know what I can also include to improve these videos as well. All right, till next time, happy hiking.